up my daughter. She's not even old enough to have a license. But she said, Daddy, I want a car. So I grab her the 2025 Mini SUV. Not the Cooper, brand new, 2025. From the dealership. Remember, I won Prinny, so she have to get the best.
Fresh
So
drop.
she have the Mini SUV 2025. And she's not even old enough to legally drive. That's how a real man do it. Boy, you talk on the care for buying the daughter a pair of panty. Adi. Adi. Yeah, that SUV a fat nini. You see me? One pretty. Pretty. You know the Mini. You see me? Yeah, man. I'm not lie. I can't call your name, baby. Can't call your name. Yeah. Yeah, active, man. You hear that? Yeah, one of the settings, man. You see me? Pretty in the Mini, you see me?
Up to the time. Yeah. I went over with some space.
Oh yeah, the guy from Gaza face now.
Adiana.
So now people know we have one of the day Gaza fans are burn up Vybz, Kartel and Chronicler to stop link up with Jade and them. Baptism.
Bumbuckler Vybz Kartel. Bumbuckler Chronicler. Me tell you something, two of them. Yo, now two artists I rate and respect to the max. Gaza me say. But with this boy when it come to Gaza, and with these people when they come to Gaza, Gaza don't make we have to switch, bro. What you do, brother? What you do? Bad man, me don't want to see you now big up no batty man. Me don't want to see you now highlight no batty man. Wanna see Jaden from Bumbuckler TikTok a kiss off a man. A man I tell Jaden I tell man say yo, the man fi thump him in the face and the man I say yo and then your face more and thump you. You think I thump more and thump you and I say more and thump you. Yo, what I do? But I'm not to say all like TikTok of them shit up. From Word Dog to Switzerland to Jaden to Candy to Donia. Everyone on no TikToker shit up. Yo, entertainers, no one other. Stop big up them TikTokers, boy. Don't make them feel important. A batty boy them. You hear that? Big suckud batty boy and dirty girl them. Burn them out. Straight.
Now we have one of Naya best friend and send deadly threat to Naya enemy and Naya killers.
Yeah man, Naya gang a long time. I know some boy a friend killer from around so you know. You hear that all the night when I did and I see all I pussy and sit down a fake ball in a dog. I know I didn't know a dog. I kill every pussy hole from the night, bad man. Police they get for all on no batty boy. No joke. You hear that? I tell no phone, you know, I tell her some family and all around you know, more than take it, you know. If this a new bumbuckler area, a judgment come go kill some family, me go kill some people too. You hear that? Because what I'm not giving a business more and dead neither, yeah. Because I did a bumbuckler already, but you know, come to me I read me lose too much and me dog them now, what I want to give up on life. You see right now, me reach a stage and give up on bumbuckler life, yeah. Let me tell all I know. Post the wall and just prepare for judgment. Remember that bumbuckler can kill a real youth, you know. And for my band, I suffer them, you they motivate me to go and voice song and easy, you know. You hear that? Ah, me I sing pan with me can't say pan with me dog a laugh and for me I tell me say your dog I can't hold and bumbuckler with him. You hear that? Man, them man run any type of joke charge. Come here, some boy plan to kill the dog and I go tell the dog. You hear that? And all of the thing you know crash and that them everything crash because then the man take money and style some boy and the thing crash down. You hear that and some more batty boy still got take money to kill the dog. Alright, pussy hole, no look out for me. I mean I hide in the comedy already, you know. No matter no bumbuckler father, and I mean I have a job in this world, you know, dog. Every day I hungry, me know, you know. And my friend them no hungry, you know. Pussy hole, I say if you no want peace, and just do the right thing and give you them some bumbuckler sensible work, else boy I got dead. No bumbuckler joke. You hear me I tell you no? I mean I laugh. I tell you the real thing. People are going to feel the pain if you not do the right thing. You hear that? Brawling got the boom game kill a real you dog when never for dead.
So there you have it, people. So bless upon yourself and our viewers and subscribers. Just leave a comment in the comment section what you think about what this youth said and what the man said about Vybz Kartel and Chronic Law. Like, subscribe.